Assalamu alaikum class 9. We are doing unit number 11, noise in the environment. Hope you are attending all of my lectures. Half book exercise I have done yesterday, and today I will complete book exercise of unit number 11. Today date is 15/7/2020. It's my 20th lecture and day is Wednesday. See question number D on page number 119. Supply suitable adverb clause. So we are going to write adverb clause to our own. इन sentences में हमने adverb clause खुद से बनानी है या खुद से लिखनी है. You know what is adverb clause? Adverb clause is a group of words which work as an adverb in a sentence. See sentence number 1. Nobody likes him because he is naughty. She sings exactly after having training in music. I will not go out if it rains. I shall remain closed until strike went off. He shall pass the exam. I spoke to his brother. So all of these are adverb clauses. See question number E. Use the following subordinate conjunction in sentences. So subordinate conjunction is given such as since, unless, thou, while, as, when, after. All of these words are very common. You can easily make sentences to your own. यानी इनके sentences इतने easy हैं कि आप खुद से बना सकते हैं. So I am giving you homework. You have to make your own sentences. This is your home task. To make sentences of these subordinate conjunctions. Identify and write these classes in relevant column of the table. So two columns are given: independent clause and dependent clause. 6 sentences are given and they are asking we have to write them in relevant columns, such as the independent clause will be written here and dependent clause will be written here. So you should know what is independent clause and what is dependent clause. Independent clause will stay as it is, यानी अगर हम इसको लिखेंगे तो इसके complete meaning हमारे पास होंगे, हम इसको separately लिख सकते हैं. डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज डिपेंड्स एन अदर सेंटेंस टू कंप्लीट द मीनिंग, यानी अगर हम इसको सेपरेट लिखें तो हम इसको सेपरेट नहीं लिख सकते, ये डिपेंड करेगी एन अदर सेंटेंस पर. सो इट इज़ डिपेंडेंट टू एन अदर क्लॉज एंड इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज कैन स्टे एज इट इज़. सी फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, आसिफ प्ले हॉकी एज ही इंजॉयज इट. सो देर आर टू सेंटेंस, आसिफ प्ले हॉकी एज ही इंजॉयज इट. सो if we separate as he enjoys it, it does not give us complete meaning. इसके हमें complete meaning तब तक नहीं मिलेंगे जब तक कि हम इसे first clause के साथ नहीं लिखते. It means it is dependent to the first one. So Asif plays hockey give us complete meaning. अगर हम इसको separate कर दें तो इसके हमें complete meaning मिलेंगे, इसलिए ये independent clause है. So we will write it here. Asif plays hockey is independent clause, as he enjoys it is dependent clause. So it is very easy if you memorize what is dependent and what is independent clause. See the next one. Shazia could not catch the bus. Till here it gives complete meaning. It is independent clause. Because she was late is dependent clause. Because से start हो रही है, already conjunction आ गया है. Because she was late it is dependent clause. Ali could not finish the mathematics test on time. Till here it is independent clause. यहाँ independent clause में हम इसे लिखेंगे. Although he knew all the sums. Although he knew all the sums is dependent clause. Arif quickly ate her lunch. Till here is independent clause. As she was very hungry is dependent clause. See, as she was very hungry because it needs another clause to complete the meaning. यानी हमें एक और clause की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी इसके meanings complete करने में. Sentence number 5. Haris is back from work. Till here is independent clause, so he must take rest is dependent clause. You must work hard. You must work hard is independent clause. If you want to succeed in life is dependent clause. So you will write these sentences to the relevant column. You should know what is independent clause and what is dependent clause. It is important because such kind of questions came in your board exams. They give you a sentence such as Asif plays hockey as he enjoys it. They will underline as he enjoys it and they will give you option. The underlined clause is Independent clause or dependent clause. You should know that what is this. You should know that it is dependent clause, not independent clause. So you have to learn it fully. See the next page. Read the following sentences and tick the right adverbial clause given in the bracket. So you know what is adverbial clause. So there should be adverb given in the clause, and if it indicates the place, it will be an adverbial clause of place. If it tells us about the time, it will adverbial clause of time. And if there is some reason in a clause, it will be adverbial clause of reason. See the first sentence. The train left the station as Asad arrived. So as Asad arrived is adverbial clause of place? No. As Asad arrived is adverbial clause of time. Arrived की बात हो रही है ना, पहुँचने की, तो so it is adverbial clause of time. As you put it, whenever you like. So whenever, give us reason. So it is adverbial clause of reason. Whenever you like. After the thief had stolen money, he left home quickly. So after, tell us the time. So it is adverbial clause of time. He was very pleased that you have passed. So that you have passed, that tells us the adverbial clause of reason. So it is adverbial clause of reason. He failed because he did not work hard. So because is telling the reason. So it is adverbial clause of reason. Two options are given. You have to know that what adverbial clause is shown here. Used of comma to prepare a dependent clause from the main clause. So there are two clauses. Main clause or dependent clause. Dependent clause which depend on another clause, and main clause and independent clause is the same. It is independent clause. Main clause and independent clause is the same, and dependent clause is the clause in which we need another clause to complete the meaning. यानी जिसमें हमें एक वो clause की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी या sentence की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी meanings को complete करने के लिए. See, 3 options are given and then examples are given. In a sentence which has an independent and a dependent clause, a comma is used to separate the two if the sentence starts with the dependent clause. अगर sentence dependent clause से start होगा, इस तरह because, if, whether, although, इस तरह के conjunction से या dependent clause से सेंटेंस स्टार्ट होगा तो हम उसमें कोमा अप्लाई करेंगे, यानी उसमें कोमा लगाएंगे डिपेंडेंट और इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज को सेपरेट करने के लिए. बी, द डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज यूजुअली स्टार्ट्स विद एनी ऑफ दीज सबऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन. सो डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज विल स्टार्ट विद दीज सबऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन सच एज व्हाइल, एज, ऑल्दो, बिकॉज, सिंस, इफ, आफ्टर, बिफोर एंड अनटिल. दीज वर्ड्स विल बी used in the beginning of the dependent clause. If the same sentence starts with an independent clause, no comma is required. So if the sentence is started with independent clause or main clause, अगर main clause या independent clause first पे आ जाती है तो हम उसमें comma नहीं लगाएंगे. See the example. While I was eating. So while it is subordinate conjunction is used. While I was reading, it is dependent clause. ये dependent clause है इसलिए हमने कोमा लगाया और उसके बाद independent clause लिखी है. While I was eating, the doorbell rang. If we write this sentence as the doorbell rang while I was eating, then we will not apply any comma. अगर ये independent clause से start होगा तो हम इसमें comma नहीं लगाएंगे, और अगर ये subordinate conjunction से या डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज से स्टार्ट होगा तब हम यहाँ कोमा लगा रहे हैं. यानी ये कंडीशन है कि जब सबऑर्डिनेट क्लास से या डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज से सेंटेंस स्टार्ट होगा तो हम कोमा अप्लाई करेंगे. अदरवाइज अगर इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज से स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो फिर हम कोमा नहीं लगा रहे. सेकंड सेंटेंस में हमने कोमा नहीं लगाया. बिकॉज हर अलार्म क्लॉक वाज ब्रोकन, कोमा, शी वाज लेट फॉर क्लासेस. सेम हियर, शी वाज लेट फॉर क्लासेस बिकॉज हर अलार्म क्लॉक was broken. Here we don't apply any comma. In first sentence we are applying comma because the sentence is started with dependent clause. If you are sick, you must see a doctor. See, we apply comma because if is subordinate conjunction and this clause is dependent clause. You must see a doctor if you are sick. When the train stops, comma, we will clean the driveway. We will clean the driveway when the train stops. We will not apply comma in next sentence. See the activity. Make the sentence as correct as incorrect. So we will write the sentence is correct or incorrect. Put a comma to make the sentence correct. If we need to apply any comma, we will apply comma to make the sentence correct. So we will mark it, its cross or its correct or incorrect, and then we will put comma because the sentence is started with dependent clause. Because Alia missed her school bus, comma, she was late for her school. We will apply comma in this sentence. Again, after we will apply comma. After Kamal comes home, comma, he will take you to the bookshop. The class will have the swimming lesson if the instructor comes tomorrow. So this sentence is correct. We don't need to apply any comma in this sentence. When it rains, comma, I shall bring an umbrella to school. So it is incorrect, so we put comma here. Although Mr. Asif was sick, comma is already applied here. He went to work. So it is correct. This sentence is correct. So that's why we are putting comma over here. That's it. These are the book exercise you have to do. Best of luck for your work. Try to make sentences and try to do your work till 20th July. After 20th July, I will check your notebooks. I shall call you to bring your notebooks to school, and I shall check all of your work I have given you. Allah Hafiz.